In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell physical and digital products with Squarespace. This step-by-step guide will walk you through the process, making it easy to set up your online store and start offering your products to customers far and wide. So let's dive right in. First and foremost, you'll need to navigate to your Squarespace homepage. This is where all the magic begins and where you can access the tools necessary for setting up your products. Once you're there, look for the search bar. It's located at the top of the page, making it easy to find. Clicking into the search bar allows you to locate specific sections more efficiently. Now, you'll want to type in the word product. As you start typing, Squarespace will start suggesting relevant sections based on what you're inputting. In this case, you'll see a section called Products. Click on it to proceed to the next step. Once you're in the Products section, you'll want to add a new product to your store. Look for the Add Product button and click on it. This is a crucial step because it's where you'll start the process of listing a new item. Squarespace will then prompt you to choose the type of product you'd like to add. You'll see options for both physical and downloadable products. Select the category that best fits what you're selling. For sellers looking to offer something like a book or a piece of art, a physical product is the way to go. Conversely, for those offering something like an ebook or a digital course, you'd choose the download option. The next step is to fill in your product details. This is the stage where you add a title, a description, and any relevant information that your customers need to know. Having a well-crafted description can play a huge role in appealing to potential buyers, so take your time here. After you've entered the basic information, add an image of your product. This image will serve as the first impression, so ensure it's high quality and truly represents what you're offering. An engaging image can make all the difference in catching a customer's eye. Now, set up your product inventory. This involves indicating how many units you have available and setting any necessary stock notifications. This management ensures you don't oversell or disappoint customers due to unexpected stockouts. The final step in the process is to click on Save. This action finalizes your product listing and makes it active in your online store. And there you have it. You've just learned how to list both physical and digital products on Squarespace. With these steps, you're now ready to reach your audience more effectively and watch your sales grow. Thank you for watching, and happy selling with Squarespace.